Writing a paper is never easy. Trying to come up with ideas and get your thoughts out can be difficult. With Office 365 and its dictation services, you can write papers with ease. In this video, we will discuss some of the benefits of using this cloud service, as well as show you how to use Office 365 on the computer. This video is sponsored by the UWSP Disability and Assistive Technology Center. With Office 365, you can access your work at any time. Office 365 allows you to work within any Microsoft Office program, such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You can download the apps on your phone or tablet and work anywhere. The work will be saved in that space and can then be accessed later when you are back on your computer or laptop. Note, whenever you work in one space using Office 365, it will automatically save and be on every other device as well. To use Office 365 on the computer, we'll first go to the UWSP website. Once we are on the website, we'll go to Logins and scroll down to Office 365. It may ask you to sign in with your UWSP email and password, but I am already signed in. Next, I will select a Word document and a new blank document. From here, we will begin to dictate. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd, 2019, period. When I am working in this document and using dictation, comma, I need to make sure that I am using the correct punctuation, period. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other questions or would like to schedule an appointment to learn more about dictation in Office 365, please contact our office. We are located on the 6th floor of Albertson Hall in room 604. Thank you.